Hello friends, the next generation Mazda 6 2025 is in development with a choice of hybrid or electric engine. The car was last updated in 2018. Now could see what the exterior of the car could be like. So Mazda also announced plans to introduce 3 electric cars by 2025 along with 5 plug-in hybrids. The new Mazda 6, according to the latest rumors, will sell only in China. The production of the car will also be in China. The new Mazda 6 is expected to premiere in 2025. Evaluate the design of the new Mazda 6 and write your opinion in the comments, as well as choose the best color of the car. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, see you in the next videos.